Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Stacia. Thank you for tuning in. So today's video is going to be a hair tutorial. It's my first one on my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to do 2 quick and easy buns. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to show you the supplies that I'm going to be using. So for my edges, I'm going to use Design Essential Edge Control. I'm going to use a small brush like this to brush down my edges. I have bobby pins that I'm going to use. I don't know if you can see that, but they're like the open type of bobby pin. And then I'm going to be using Rastafari braiding here. Now the reason why I'm actually even doing this video is because I wanted to show you what I used to use. So I used to use these sponges. You can get these at like H&M or Forever 21. But the way that you use this is, you know, you put your hair in a high ponytail, you put this over that, and then you brush your hair around it. The reason why I don't like using these is because when my hair would start to separate, you could see the sponge through that, and then it kind of looked a little obvious. And it's not like the same color as my hair or texture, so I don't really care to use these. So I'm gonna show you a cool little workaround instead of using these. Okay, so the first thing is you're gonna start with your hair in a high ponytail, as you can see. And I just laid my edges down with the Design Essentials Edge Control. So then we're gonna take the braiding hair, take it out of the packaging, and it comes on like this rubber band. So I'm gonna actually keep it on the rubber band. And we're gonna tie this rubber band around our ponytail. You can tie it around like 1 or 2 times around our ponytail, right? And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap the braiding hair around our ponytail. So it's kind of like we're making the sponge with the braiding hair. Oh. You wrap it around and then you'll pin with the bobby pins. And the good thing about this is that you can make it as big as you'd like. You can try and create your own shape of your bun. So there you go. Our braiding hair is now like our sponge. And then we use our hair and we're gonna brush it around. And then once you create the shape, just bobby pin it. But it's really simple. And there's your bun. Quick and easy. Okay, so the second bun that I'm going to show you is a top knot bun. So again, I'm going to start with my hair in a high ponytail. I'm going to take the braiding hair and wrap it around my ponytail 2 times. Then I'm going to take the braiding hair and my hair and kind of like intertwine them. And then I'm going to start twisting. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I showed you 2 quick and easy ways to do a hair bun using braiding hair. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! You're going to start with your hair in a high ponytail, and we're just going to wrap our hair a little bit around like that, and I'm going to try and like hold it up so it stands up a little bit like that. So I'm just going to keep wrapping. I want it to stand up. It's okay if it's messy. It's what we like. We like messy, right? Then I'm going to use my rubber band. I swear I look like a little like a chef hat on top. Like that. And then we're going to pull it out. Pull it out. And messy is good. Messy's real good. You can use bobby pins if you like, but just keep playing with it, pull it until you get what you're looking for. And there you go. Pretty easy and still cute.